Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you a living room refresh just by simply shopping my home for the items that I used, with the exception of a few things, and I'll point them out as I show you around. My entryway stayed the same. Nothing changed on this cabinet, this mirrored cabinet here, because I simply love how I have this set up here with the wreath and the tall vase and the bookends. I love that. But when you move over into my living room, you will see I added navy blue to my pink. First off, I added navy blue window panels to the pink. And of course, you see my totally dazzled bling up top there. I love adding that bling there. And then you move down, you will see the chairs that I usually have at my dining room table. I placed them here. And the new things to this living room is these pillow covers from Amazon. You see 2 here, and you'll see another 2 in a minute, but they came as a set of 4 from Amazon. I love using pillow covers now instead of buying a bunch of pillows that are very hard to store. Pillow covers are easy to fold up and put away. Now in the middle of these 2 chairs, I have this folding table that I've already had. I had this in my office, and I placed on this table this frame, this floral, and this candle. Now moving over to the wall area, you may notice I moved my fireplace in here. And I love it so much better in here. I kept the wall art the same. I'm thinking about painting them though. And I displayed my ginger jars on the mantle. And here's my other love seat, and I have my pink furry pillows and another set of those blue and white pillows on this love seat. Now moving to my coffee table, I just have some treats displayed here. Shopped my home, shopped things that I already have. Some cookies, a candle, and different things to sit here and have a cup of tea this afternoon. And below it, I just placed my pink furry rug. I do have a navy blue rug, area rug, but I did not want to put my son through moving everything out of his room to get it, so I just stuck with my gray rug here. But guys, this is the refresh that I have done in my living room. I love the navy added to the pink. Oh, it is so bright in here. I love it. And tell me what you think. I would love to know. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor and home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.